Hello, Chattanooga, Tennessee. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. I'm a supplement guy, right? So I work with Xactimate, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get you one free supplement with my company. You probably already have someone that does it, but if it is someone that you really don't like, or they're not fast enough, or maybe I'm better, maybe, or let's say it's a girl in your office and she's always dropping the ball and she's late, or something, whatever, if you want to try me, right? I'll do one for free. I'll get going with you. I'll put you into my system, put you into my Xactimate, and that way I can sort of maximize a claim for you. And we can build a relationship, and see how far we can go together. The thing is if someone writes up an $8,000 roofing scope, let's say it's whatever insurance company, and then I can turn it into a $10,000 or $12,000 claim, and then you'll let me fight for you on the back end, to be able to get that money. Think about what would happen if we just started doing that with every roof. It's 100% complimentary, the first one. I've got a flat fee. It's situated so that you win. That's the thing. The only way that I can win is if you're winning. So go ahead, click the link in the description. I've got a 9-module training course on the website. It goes into roof lawyers. It goes into how to put orders into ABC or Beacon. I've got spreadsheets on there for all the insurance companies. I got how to get leads online, how to use Spotio, Hell Recon, Genius Scan, all this different stuff. Just what to say to the homeowner when you're explaining what supplements are. That's a big one. Like if you got a new guy and you're like, if you don't explain it right, then it's gonna be horrible. Send them to my website, have them watch these videos, and they're gonna come out the other end different. They're gonna come out educated, more educated. Go ahead, click the link in the description, call me, and let's get set up on one. And you might have someone, but let me be second string. And what if I'm cheaper than them? I'm probably cheaper than them. Talk to you later.